OpenAI is rolling out its ChatGPT Health to U.S. users who are 18 years or older. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The company began testing ChatGPT Health in January in a separate portal, but this updated version lets ChatGPT reference relevant health data in any conversation. The feature is designed to go beyond the chatbot and give responses using your personal data from doctors' notes, blood tests, and more. You can connect your data via ChatGPT's new Health tab, where you can link the chatbot to Apple Health and providers like Kaiser Permanente or One Medical. ChatGPT can also review any current conditions you might have, medications you're taking, and your family's history of illness to make sure it's interpreting everything correctly. You can also revisit the Health tab to browse your records, view recent health trends, and see suggested prompts to ask ChatGPT. But ChatGPT Health can jump in anytime your health is relevant to a chat. Remember, ChatGPT is still capable of making mistakes, and anything it says shouldn't be considered as diagnosis or official treatment, even if the chatbot offers it confidently. Privacy is also a major concern while sharing things like health records. OpenAI says your medical information is not used to train foundation models or target ads, and you can also decide when ChatGPT can use health information you've connected, forcing the chatbot to ask every time it wants to use your data. Plus, any health information you've connected can be disconnected at any time. OpenAI announced this just when the company faces a lawsuit by a pastor who alleges that ChatGPT offered dangerous medical recommendations that led him to not seek treatment for a pulmonary embolism. With all this, giving ChatGPT your medical information doesn't feel like a good option. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.